More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family and his wife.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Hello everyone. I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about failure as a father in 4 areas: knowledge, commitment, resources, and time. Knowledge. One of the main things that causes fear is the unknown. What we don't know or understand has a major effect on how successful, which allows many fathers to find a way of not being available for parenting responsibilities, hiding the fact that he has no idea on how to be a father. So being absent is the logical choice. Commitment. Each father must make a conscious decision to be that man, making the right choice to be active, to be an active father that's present in the child's life. There must be in each man the thought to commit to the life of being a father. Just having a child doesn't make you a father. A father must be involved. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say. So I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, so tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. Resources. One of the most frustrating things is to start something without having all the necessary items to complete the goal. There should be a initially thought out process on how to accomplish the next portion of your life. The miracle of having a child is a monumental responsibility that can't be successfully done without the right resources. Time. One of the things that 99% of the people in the world misuse or abuse to their own end is time. Everyone starts off with good intentions, but falls short when it comes to others. The only thing that we can't get back or replace is that moment in time we missed. Each man must take ownership of the young man's life he decided to create. That's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you like the information. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Comment down below whether or not, but if you did, go ahead and like, subscribe to my channel, and check all the other videos out. Like always, in the end of everything, peace and blessings, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Everybody knows what they gotta hear. Everybody knows what the sound is. Everybody knows what they gotta hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.